Hey, it don't happen again. No, we don't know what they happen for our country, Nigeria. Oh. My people, it don't share. Now another news be this one. Now need to circulate this information, make other people for learn. Before I start, I say I want to greet my lovely people. I greet everybody according to their time. Wherever on the world this broadcast from, I say I salute to now. I want to say thank you very much for sharing out our broadcast. And at the same time, for those that are yet to follow us, we want to appeal to your conscience to please do follow this page in order for you to get new notification each time there is any publication on our platform. With this, I want to say thank you so very much for being a part of this family everyday event. My people, the one will happen so if they get as it be. Now everybody will want advice concerning those when we say they enter transport to go to their various places, whether not for work, whether not for travel. My people, wetin happen we say this motor one they see so, and the people they see so, they enter one chance. So this one chance e get as e be. Wetin happen say this passenger e don load people for a motor, you know, they talk say na worry that they go. The passengers when carry say na worry that they go. So as they enter motor, they begin they go finish. E can happen say all of a sudden the passengers for the vehicle, all of them begin they sleep. All of them begin they sleep. E can happen say now one man and one woman, one elderly man and one elderly woman. Now only two of them not sleep for inside the vehicle. So the man and the woman they come, their spirit can't let them know say something not dey right. So when they come say how come this big motor when they enter, how everybody will just begin to sleep for inside the motor. And then they begin to sense that something is not right. So they come begin to scream, they shout, they beckon on the people when we say they inside the motor with them. They hit everywhere, made the people for wake up. Now there these people come wake up once wetin happen. And then they come let them know say now sleep they sleep for inside motor. Now so the people when they inside the motor begin they shout. They come try, they call the attention of the driver, say, driver, where you they carry us go? At the end of the day, the driver was supposed to carry people go for worry, when they go worry. It happens say the driver himself, now Ibadan Road, now he can't carry these people, they go. They say, from the information when the driver come they talk, people come they talk, they say, now for ritual purpose, now if you won't carry them, go do. So the medicine will be do to make all of them sleep for inside the car. It can happen say God can't do them, and two people not sleep for inside the car. Now only the rest people sleep. Now one man and one woman not sleep. So now that one come, now those men and the man and the woman, and they can't feel say something is not right. Why be say a whole passengers when just they inside motor, they just they sleep. So now those ones come begin they shout. Come they wake the people when we say they don't they sleep. When they can't wake up, they can't realize say not be the direction when they go. Now the driver they when they carry them they go. The driver not carry them go where they go when we say now worry. He don't carry them, they carry them go Ibadan. My people, I will let now they listen to what happen. Make una know exactly what happen. This one not be film trick. This one are reality. So everybody needs to be careful. So right now the juju where the man carry to make all the people when they inside vehicle make them sleep, you not can work for this man and this woman. Now this man and woman now help them when we say they not succeed, go use them for ritual where they carry them, they go for Ibadan. My people, I say make I let them know what they happen. Make una share this broadcast, make people learn what they happen for our society. This one you get as it be. Make I let them they watch the video as everything they happen.
Now wow, that's how I don't go see. Now Ibadan dey o. Driver carry people come drop for Ibadan. Say na worry they go. People sleep for motor. No be smart, you know. Nothing I don't go see. I beg how Ibadan take become worry. Nothing I don't go see for this life. Oh, wetin concern Ibadan, wetin concern worry. People sleep. Now let two people where they serve God. Now they awake. I beg una serve God. Oh, make una serve God. Driver they don't cash am. I beg Ibadan no be worry. Una serve God. Now let two people there awake. Gonna be God will save them. Hey, I be worry. Oh, I don't know how Ibadan take out to worry. When I see me see success. Oh, no be small thing I see for here. Oh, hey, I beg make I show the mommy way and the daddy way they see the daddy. Hey, if they serve God, when I serve God, oh, now God make this daddy there awake. Oh, therefore don't go use them do ritual. God of heaven. Make I go see drive.
passenger say you go collect something or you don't get it.
Before they stop, now tell them say, I want to
Now for here you get it.
not here. I got the name of that and I tell them say,
Where the fucking answer? Wetin you come do for here?
one trailer.
Sówó wọrí lẹ́yìn fẹ́ gbà báyìí.
Na the second mommy be this. Where God make it there awake. Therefore don't use all of them do ritual this morning. Now worry that they go, now Ibadan they come. See me see wahala. Now I be worry pikin though. I be worry pikin. I don't know how worry take us time, but I'm not reach my head.